In this course, you'll learn how to paint a winter scene with an icy stream that cuts through a field of dry frost-covered grass surrounded by trees. We'll start by setting up the workspace with all of the tools and brushes needed to complete this painting. Next, we'll define a color palette using a Color Gamut Mask and create a rough sketch of the scene. After that, we will block in all of the individual objects in the scene and add form and detail to them. And last, we'll refine the painting and add the finishing touches. By the end of this course, you will have completed a painting that you can print or publish online. I'll also show you a couple of optional techniques you can use to enhance your landscape paintings using artificial intelligence. In this course, I will be mostly focusing on painting techniques, so I won't be explaining every single feature, how it works, or where it is located. Those details are covered in my Corel Painter training courses. If you get stuck on something in this landscape painting course, please reference the Painter training course by searching the syllabus. I also offer a free landscape painting fundamentals course that goes into more detail about landscape painting in general. If you're having trouble keeping up with this course, you may want to take the crash course first. You can even search my YouTube channel or browse the directory on my website to locate specific features, techniques, and subjects. And I'd also like to mention that a written transcript of this course is included if you find that useful. Let's begin with some setup.